Alright guys, today I'm at the tractor supply and these ones are my feed supply for my rabbits, horse, goats, and this is my Doomer chick starter 20%, and these ones are my I got like 25 Cornish cross chicks. Alright guys, let's see how they're gonna go for this spring. Here we go guys, this is my temporary setup for the Cornish cross chicks, and then eventually they're gonna come over here and it will be raised for a couple of weeks, and it's pretty close to spring, so we only got like a couple more weeks to go, and then they will be brought out, you know, and then they will be taken out for the first time in spring, and they will get to venture the outside environment, you know. But for right now, they're gonna be staying here for like a couple of weeks until they're mature enough to go outside. So I'll just set the heat lamp over here and then water feeder, and I'll put the bedding. And this is the temporary setup for right now. Everything is scrap, so I just use this one for now. And then this will be good enough. Like the height is good, and then they have enough space for 25 chicks for a couple of weeks. And then they will be going out anyway. So let's see. The heat lamp is ready. So all I just need to put is like wood chips for bedding. And this is the good thing for now, because as you can see, like this one, I can move on the corner right here, and I can move on this side either. So the flexibility on this will give me like access to move the chicks whenever I want to clean, you know. Like if I wanted to clean on the other side, I'll just move the chicks over here and they will come on the heat, and there will be enough space to clean. I'll put the feed in. All right, so this is good guys. Alrighty, so this is my bedding for the chicks. This one, this is actually, it's good for horse and cow stuff, anything, you know, but I can still use this for chicken. So I'll just dump it in and then make a good nice thick bedding for them. All right, there we go. They're gonna have water and feed. So this is gonna be my water stand for the chicks. All right, so I'm gonna put the net on top, seal it out, make it strong, and then I'll just put the water on top so that they won't mess up with it. All right, there you go. Water stand so they don't get wet, and then you have enough space to roam around. They can go anywhere. Cornish cross for 2024 for meat consumption. Alright, here you go. Beautiful. Beautiful guys, beautiful. Look at them. We already know where the feed is, and we already know where the water is. So we got 25 of them, and then just need to find out how well they go. Like, I just don't want them to die. You know, like some chicks, they just die. And this one looks pretty healthy. I didn't pay much for these, like only $2.99. It seems still cheaper at the tractor supply, but this looks awesome, guys.